Now in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Keyless-Go system in the late model Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram vehicles. If you got a remote that looks like this, you've got Keyless-Go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what happens if the system fails. And I'm going to give you a method for starting the vehicle so that you can either get it home or get it to a repair shop so that you can get it repaired. Now on a typical day when everything's working fine, you could either walk up to the vehicle, touch the door handle, and that will unlock it, or you can actually use the buttons on the remote. When we hit unlock, we expect the lights to flash and the headlights to come on. Same thing with lock, we'd hear the horn go off, park lights flash, and again the door lock actuators would either go lock or unlock depending on what we press. Then all we have to do is go inside the vehicle to start it. And then all you got to do is press the start button. So you never got to take that remote out of your pocket or your purse in order to start the vehicle. So let's say one day you walk up to the vehicle, you grab the handle, the remote's in your pocket, and it doesn't unlock or lock the vehicle. You pull the key fob out, you hit the buttons on the remote, same thing, nothing happens. Vehicle's still locked. We need to get inside. I'm going to show you how to get inside, and once we're inside, I'm going to show you how to actually start the vehicle. Now what they did is they included a mechanical key inside the remote. That's what the silver portion is right here. Flip it over, there's a little latch you've got to slide. Once you slide, you can pull out the key. So now we've got a mechanical way of getting into the vehicle. And then we grab that key and insert it into the driver's side handle key cylinder. Rotate it to unlock the door. So now that we're inside the vehicle, I recommend grabbing that mechanical or skeleton key and inserting it into the back of the remote. Because we don't want to lose it, we don't want to misplace it. Because remember, this is the only means we have for unlocking the vehicle to get inside. Now at this point, it's obvious that the remote doesn't work. Now let's see if we can start the vehicle. If we press the start stop button, all we get is the off message. It never changes to accessory and it never changes to run start. We cannot crank the vehicle up. The only thing we do notice is on the cluster, some of the gauges do light up and we do get a message about the key fob. That's it. Again, we cannot start it, we cannot drive it. The vehicle is immobilized. We cannot do anything with it. We either have to call a wrecker or we got to call someone to come pick us up or someone to help pull the vehicle somewhere where we can get it worked on. Now luckily, the engineers put some thought into this. And right here, this start button is not just a start button, it is a module. It's called the KIN, Key in Ignition Node. And what they did is they incorporated an antenna around the perimeter. And yes, if we press it, nothing happens. But if we grab that remote, and instead of using our finger, we use the remote, it will go to the accessory position. And if we put our foot on the brakes, press it again, vehicle will start. So that's your backup method for cranking it. So now we can drive it home, or we can drive it to the local dealership or repair shop. We can have the fobic diagnosed to see if it needs to be replaced. So like I said, there's a lot of different new features in vehicles, and luckily they incorporate a lot of safety or other measures so that we can overcome them if they fail. Again, we got the skeleton key, and if you press it on the start button, you can get it started. And there you have it. Now you know exactly what to do if you ever have a failure on a late model Chrysler vehicle that has this style of remote or fobic. Now if you liked the video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up on YouTube. Don't forget you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions about anything you saw in today's video, or anything Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram related, you can do one of two things. You can scroll down and leave something in the comment section below this video, or you can email me at david@motorcitymechanic.com. If this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, please make sure to click the subscribe button along with that bell icon so that you get notified when videos like this get launched. Last but not least, if you like to shop on Amazon, scroll down into the description below this video. Click on that link and make that your home page. And anytime you buy anything on Amazon, it'll help support this channel. Once again, everybody, thanks for watching all these videos.